on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, the AUDIOZONE here, man, with another day, another video. First of all, always thank you guys for the support that you guys are giving up on this channel, man. We are back in grind mode, we can say, man, just giving y'all the bills that we're doing and things that are going on. It's a lot of work, man, but you know, to be a family man, to be a business owner, to be an active member in church, and to be a business owner and also YouTube at the same time is very difficult, y'all. But we got something very special. We are working on Mr. REELTOREAL's vehicle. You can actually see what's going on with it, what it looks like today, and what we're going to be doing as one of many projects that we're going to have on this build. He just had this thing wrapped, and yeah, I gotta say the color is actually a very unique color. I haven't never seen it on a Dodge Ram, but it's a flip-flop, multiple color on a dually, man. So she actually looks really amazing, as y'all can tell. But on this episode today, we're gonna be doing some upgrades for real. We're gonna be changing his tail lights, giving him a more modern look. We're also gonna be upgrading his headlights. Mr. Gordo in the building, the driver of the vehicle, but we're gonna be actually changing these lights also. So right now they're gonna begin disassembly of this vehicle, getting everything situated to be able to get this installed for him and give him a more modern, better look on his Dodge Ram, y'all. So right now Gordo's gonna begin this and get it situated. Stay tuned for more content. All right, crew. So I'm actually showing you guys exactly what we got going on, man. I'm gonna unbox these real. But these are the lights that we're installing for real. It's gonna be a more simpler, cleaner, modern look on the, definitely on the tail lights. But we're also going for a more modern look on the front, and I'll show you what we're talking about. You can see he's already changed the grill on the bad boy, and let me show y'all this. So this here, y'all, is the lights that we're gonna be installing. You can see it has a DLR up here, DLR up here. Today we're gonna be doing a standard install, but I can guarantee you we're gonna bring this back and do this in flow series and do some crazy stuff for real like we always do, man. But I'm also gonna give him some headlights and upgrade his lighting of his unit. He doesn't know it yet, but you know what I'm saying, we're just gonna do what we have to do. So I'm gonna open up this cap and see what we need to do to give real some good LEDs and get it all situated. So right now it's an H11 on the low beam. And it's going to be, get this cap off. Why does it want to give me a headache here? Why does it want to give me a headache? Hold on, let me grab it. Got a special guest here today, y'all, too, man. I mean, you know what I'm saying? He's here. I don't really like to put people on camera, but Booster's over here. Hanging out and doing what he do, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a good day outside. The AC is actually kicking in, and he didn't want to be outside. So he said, you know, I think I'm gonna come to AUDIOCAST and have AC. Yeah. But he's there doing this thing, man. But I'm about to show y'all what we got to do there. I'm gonna do some H11s for him on that side. Let me just grab here. Just give me a 9005. So what I'm gonna do for reals, I'm gonna go and upgrade him and give him some Lucas lighting. What that is a 5-year kit. It's 30,000 lumens. It's gonna be very bright, very dependable LED. They're not cheap. They're 250 bucks a kit. But you know what I'm saying, being that this is one of the guys that we deal with a lot here in the store, has been very good to us. Shout out to Real for always the support. We're gonna go to get that taken care of for him too. So they're gonna start assembling. We'll get this installed, show you guys exactly what it's gonna be like. Stay tuned. So we're here, man. We got getting ready to do the reveal for REELTOREAL on his Ram. Did a couple little touches for y'all, so I'm gonna show you exactly what's been done. Actually upgraded his tail lights. We've upgraded also his headlights. I'm gonna show you what we did. We also did the grill. Turn on the ignition, Gordo. Car done. Real gonna pick up the car. Real's always a very busy dude, so I'm not gonna do the whole exit of the vehicle. I'm gonna let Real on his channel tell you what he feels about what he had done at the shop. Is that fair, Real? Cause you're gonna take off. You're gonna get nice.
Already, which car?
Yeah.
Already.
But you,
God dang it.
handle what you need to handle, man. REELTOREAL's the man.
Yeah,
check him out
no,
on his channel.
anything he do, I never have to second hand it, second guess it, none of that. So when I bring myself to them, because I know I'm going to get the work that I'm looking for. Right. So that's why I bring it.
And if not, he has my house address directly, so he knows where to go knock on the door. But anyway,
I ain't got to do that. I just tell him, just keep it. I got plenty of vehicles to choose from.
Man, that's a blessing, you know what I'm saying? But you know what, Real? It's always a pleasure, sir.
Man.
Go do what you have to do.
But I got this big project that I'm gonna bring to you. We gotta go crazy with that.
Well, we're gonna get this one first, and then the next.
I know, but this one right here is gonna be one.
You bought it?
What?
The thing you talked about?
Yeah, I already been did that. I'm just saying, when I go get it, I'm probably gonna go get it Wednesday.
The trailer's there.
Huh?
My trailer's there.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get it Wednesday, but I need a winch.
To bring it up? I got a hand winch in the trailer.
All right, well,
You lock it up to the front bar, you put it to the car, you just bring it in. I got a hand winch. Not electric, but it's. You know, I'm gonna tell you why I don't have an electric winch. Because if I have an electric winch, I believe that I'm setting myself to brake more often. So I make it where I'm not gonna brake. But you know, yeah, that's fine, man. It's 100%.
Yeah, but ain't no motor.
It doesn't matter. The wrench is there, the trailer's there. I'm off Wednesday. Every Wednesday, bro. You've been with.
What you wanna ride with?
Whatever you want me to do.
Oh no, this is the time for you.
Nah, bro. What are you not family now?
You been to say that?
You're not family?
I'm talking about wife time.
But don't worry about that. No. Listen, on some real talk, sometimes you need to get away from the wifey. So where we going?
Wednesday, I'm gonna go pick it up.
Done. Just call me in the morning, let me know.
It's just down past Freeport.
Just call me.
We'll come right back.
Done. I'm cool. I want to get out.
Okay, it's gonna be early in the morning. I know you're not a morning person. You might have to go to sleep in the passenger side.
I can get up at 6 in the morning, bro. What you talking about?
Nah, it won't be there early.
Flip over here. Yeah, plenty of room.
I got it.
You said you wanted to go too, bro?
Yeah, I'll probably go. If I don't head back.
Oh, yeah, because y'all supposed to leave Thursday, right?
I'm leaving Saturday.
You ain't leaving. By the time you get time, you ain't gonna go because you're gonna have no gas money to get home. You keep
Exactly.
Dallas, man.
I'm gonna end up stuck here. I'm gonna end up stuck here.
Nah, man, you know what? But you're not gonna get stuck because there's a lot of people here that are always gonna help.
Yeah,
us.
yeah.
I'll put myself on that shit, man. But you know what I'm saying? Go do your thing, go ahead. I'm gonna go paralyze his hand real quick.
How long you gonna be out that way?
I don't know, about an hour or so.
Okay.
A little bit more because I got to box up the wheels myself.
Okay. All right, hit me
I don't
up.
know why I'm excited to get paralyzed, but
Yeah.
Well, look, man, this is initiation that we do.
All right.
Sutter knows it because it happened to him too.
Okay.
But I need you to pay attention. This is very, very, very unique. You gotta really pay attention. So I'm gonna tell you, because some people get nervous and paranoid.
No,
It's
whatever.
gonna get full motion back. What I'm gonna do is I'm looking
you're
for a
gonna get
pressure.
full motion back.
Yeah, I'm gonna paralyze your hand.
Okay.
I'm looking for a pressure point. When I find it, I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna tell you to make a fist, but it
Okay.
can't be up or down. When I say
Just-
let
just
go,
make it.
like this, it gotta be straight. You can't come up or down. If I
Just
say
make it like this.
it gotta be just flat.
Like this.
And then I'm gonna tell you to move your hand like. I can edit.
oh, that's the flip one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, now I gotta start this all over again. How about just make the hardest fish you can? Move like I told you. Stop. If I were you, look, man. Look at the light. Look at the
I'm
light.
trying to look
Just
away.
Relax.
Okay.
Just let go of your hand. You gotta be all relaxed.
Okay.
Make the hardest fish you can. Hold on. Make the hardest
See
fish
if I
you
can get initiated, guys.
And move it as fast as you can.
Left and right, right?
Come on.
Left and right, left and right, left
Keep
and
on.
right.
Keep on.
Left and right. And keep
on.
the hard fist.
Keep it hard. Look what you're doing, bro.
What? Am I doing it?
Look what you're doing.
Oh!
Marty, oh, you going viral. Hey, Marty not going viral.
That's probably my first time ever doing some shit like that, man. But look, it's okay though, because I'm initiated now.
Yeah.
I'm initiated.
Yeah, you part of the
I'm part of the
family.
family now.
Yeah.
I'm past part of the family.
Yeah, you definitely.
There's some whole other shit going around.
Yo, it's all fun and games,
Is
man.
that
Stay tuned.
the thing you were saying earlier is about if I ever made a vlog about the homosexuality thing?
No, that's a whole nother thing. That's
Oh,
a whole
shit.
nother
That's a whole other world.
This was initiation.
Hey,
He was like-
ain't nothing
He was like, go hard.
No,
I'm like,
ain't
oh,
nothing
okay.
going on here. Just that, you know.
Hey, my fist is closed though. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about that part. So even if there was some kinky, freaky shit.
But I kept your inch. I'm not gonna let you. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
But you know what, man? It's just
Appreciate
cool
you,
people,
bro.
man. Stay tuned, y'all.
Hey, I'm AUDIOZONE.